We've just been in High Street Social. We've got a great singer in there called Gwilym, singing some traditional Welsh songs. I'm fairly embarrassed by the fact that I don't speak Welsh. My son speaks Welsh, and anything that promotes the Welsh language is fine by me.
Years and years ago, because I'm 89 now, and I can tell you that when I was in school, the valleys were mostly all Welsh. You know, this valley and the other valley, because this is the Rhondda Fawr and that's the Rhondda Bach. And I can still remember on St David's Day we used to have Welsh plays, and you had to learn our pieces all in Welsh. And I can still remember my mother used to drum it into me. And I still remember what I had to say. My mother used to, she couldn't speak Welsh, but she could understand it because my grandmother spoke Welsh. Yes, the younger you get them to learn Welsh, the better.